Kiki, where is Dad? Don't worry, Puppo. Let's check the front door.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Puppo!
Dad! You were here all along! Wow, look at that. It's so hot today. I know. I'm getting strawberry. And I want mint chocolate chip. Wow, so many flavors. Look at those. I want the strawberry one. Me too. Let's get them both.
Wow, this mint ice cream looks amazing.
And mine is super sweet. Yay, summer treat. This is the best summer day ever. It really is, Puppo.
Okay.